Last month I made $2,500 selling AI-generated content using Dify, and I didn't write a single word myself. I automated the entire thing, from content creation to delivery to payment. Most people think you need to code to use Dify. You don't. You need one free tool, one platform to sell on, and exactly 45 minutes to set up your first workflow. And I'm going to show you the exact system today. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a $2,500 monthly AI content business using Dify and multiple income platforms. By the end, you'll know the three-part system I use, how to set up Dify workflows that run 24/7, where to sell the outputs for real money, and how to scale it from $300 a month to $2,500 without burning out. Plus, I'm going to reveal the mistake I made that cost me 3 weeks of income, so you don't have to make it. Let's go. First up, understanding why Dify is the silent moneymaker. Most people use ChatGPT directly. They type a prompt, get an output, copy it, paste it somewhere. That's manual and doesn't scale. Dify is different. It's a no-code platform where you build workflows that chain multiple AI models together. You set up one workflow once, and it runs thousands of times automatically. For example, I built one workflow that takes a topic, generates 5 content angles, turns each into a LinkedIn post, and then automatically posts them. That's one workflow that generates content 24/7. I don't touch it. It costs me nothing to run. The income? I charge $50 per content package on Fiverr. Last month that one workflow paid for itself 50 times over. The mistake people make, they think Dify is just for automation. It's actually an income engine if you connect it to the right platforms. Step 1. Set up your first Dify workflow in 45 minutes. This is simpler than you think. Go to Dify.ai, sign up free, and create a new workflow, not a chatbot, a workflow. You're going to build a system that does this. Input a client request, like write me 10 LinkedIn post ideas for a SaaS founder. The workflow runs that through ChatGPT-4 via Dify. You can connect your own API key to make it free, or use Dify's credit, generates the ideas, formats them into a document, and outputs them as a downloadable file. The second part is your output variable. This is what the client gets. You name it content package and set it to output as a text document. Then you test it. Click start, input your example request, watch it generate, and boom, you have a working content generator. One workflow I built does this in literally 90 seconds. The mistake: don't overcomplicate the first workflow. Start with one simple input to output system. Complexity comes later. Step 2. Get your first sale using existing platforms. Here's the truth: you don't need your own website. You need platforms where people are already paying for content. Fiverr is the obvious one. I created a gig that says I'll generate a month's worth of personalized LinkedIn content using AI. Clients pay $50 to $150 depending on the package size. What's beautiful? I just tell them to describe their industry and goals. I paste that into my Dify workflow, it generates the content in 2 minutes, and I deliver it. My delivery time is instant. That means 5-star reviews, fast-tracked gigs, and more orders. But here's what most people miss: you can also sell on Upwork, Etsy for digital products, or even create a simple Gumroad page for one-time purchases. I tested Etsy and made $800 in a month selling AI-generated niche writing packages as digital downloads. The workflow never changed. The income sources did. The mistake: don't put all your eggs in one platform. I learned this the hard way when Fiverr temporarily disabled one of my gigs. Now I sell the same service on 3 platforms at different price points. We're halfway through, and the next method is the one I wish I'd known about a year ago. It's where the real scaling happens. Most people stop at selling individual services. I didn't. I automated my own content channels and monetized them. Coming up, I'll show you how I use Dify to generate 30 days of content in one batch, distribute it across LinkedIn and Twitter automatically, and earn money through sponsorships and affiliate links without touching it again. This is passive income that actually scales. Don't skip this one. Step 3. Build your own content channels and monetize them. This is where Dify becomes a real asset. Instead of just selling to clients on Fiverr, I use Dify to generate my own content. Here's my exact system. Every Sunday, I run a Dify workflow that generates 30 pieces of high-quality educational content about AI, freelancing, and automation. I dump all 30 into a content calendar. Then I use Make.com, a no-code automation platform, to schedule these posts across LinkedIn and Twitter automatically, 3 posts per day. That's 90 posts a month I didn't write. The income comes from 3 places. First, sponsorships. By posting consistently and building 5,000 to 10,000 followers, sponsorships pay $200 to $500 per month. Second, affiliate links. When I recommend tools like Dify or Make in my posts, I include affiliate links. That's an extra $300 to $600 a month. Third, lead generation. My posts direct people to a landing page where they sign up for my free email course. From there, I sell a $97 course on AI automation. That generates $400 to $800 monthly. Combined? That's $900 to $1,900 per month from content I generated in 2 hours. The mistake: don't wait to have enough followers to start. I began monetizing at 300 followers with a simple buy my course link in my bio. Here's the mistake that cost me 3 weeks of income, and how to avoid it. When I first started, I built these amazing Dify workflows but never documented them. When OpenAI had an API outage, my entire system broke. No backup prompts. No notes on what each workflow did. I had to rebuild from scratch. Now, I keep a simple Google Doc for every workflow: the input prompt, the exact system instruction I use, the model selected, and the output format. Takes 10 minutes. Saves weeks of rebuilding. Second mistake: not testing edge cases. I created a workflow for generate blog posts on any topic. What I didn't test: what happens if someone inputs something politically sensitive or inappropriate? The workflow had no guardrails. I got a complaint and had to add a content filter. Test your workflows with weird inputs. Third, underpricing. I sold my first content package for $25. I was terrified no one would buy at higher prices. Wrong. When I raised it to $50, demand actually increased. People perceive value in pricing. Start low, test, then raise systematically. Let me recap the 3-part system. Part 1, set up a Dify workflow that automates content generation, 45 minutes, 0 ongoing effort. Part 2, sell that output on existing platforms like Fiverr or Etsy, instant income, no audience needed. Part 3, build your own channels using that same workflow and monetize them through sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products. That's where the scaling happens. Here's your action for this week. Go to Dify.ai right now, build one simple workflow that takes a topic and outputs 5 content ideas. Don't overthink it. Just build. Once you have that, post 1 gig on Fiverr. Price it at $50. See if it sells. That's the starting point. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe. I drop a new AI money method every week, and next week I'm breaking down how to build a full AI agency for under $500. Don't miss it.